We're up to your fidget cube for a fidget spinner. Fidget spinner was killed by Purple Louie because Barney put in a bomb on a fidget spinner's lair. Respawned by angry Barney. Sorry, just off the computer. I'm not going off the computer. Because no, I'm curious. This is your task. Good chess. Computer evil mode. I know evil mode. You did not turn off your computer, or else you will not get the computer back. Start right now, or you're not able to get the computer back. I know. Turn evil mode if you turned off your computer. Then I'll be nightmare. Oh great, I know, scary. I know, scary mode. If that's set off the computer. Now I'll creep you out. I am now nightmare. Because computer, if you do it again, you have more nightmare. This is what you get. Alright, now in my turn. I am now by never mode. If you turn off this, the last chance until will be my 5 nights at Fidget Spinner era. Don't make me go to 5 nights at Fidget Spinner mode. No time. You know what? This is your second to last chance. Just another office. I am master mode.
No text found.
I am now in zombie mode. You have 2 more chances left. This is your second to last chance. This is your second to last chance. Wait, how dare you turn off your computer? This is your last chance. I mean it, because if you turn off your computer one more time, then you have entered the code. Starts now. Broken. C mode. You have to enter the code. If you get the code right, then go back to computer. If you get the code wrong, now it's computer. Now enter 48, 15, 16, then it's 42. If you continue refusing, if you refuse to enter the code or turn off your computer, then the channel screen forever. I'm sorry, but the code you entered 48, 15, 16 is officially need for 1 year. Correct code was Fidget. Fidget spinner revive. If you get the code right, then I go back to station. But it didn't happen. Now it's punishing you. You did not.
No text.
Do not listen to me about turn off your computer. That's it. You are grounded for. Oh my god. Hurry, Dr. BL. Have the Dr. the BL is finishing. That's it. Let's scare crap out of you. Wait, never listen to me about turning off your computer. Now Fidget spinner has turned myself into a real specimen. That's it. You are grounded forever. Now I'll crush you.